Last video, I revealed 5 ways that you can boost your customer persuasion skills when it comes to sales. Show off your expertise, find something in common with the customer, compliment customers on their purchases, use the language of experts, and discuss more expensive products first. Well, without further ado, here are 5 more tips. Roll the intro music. Today's first tip to boost customer persuasion skills during sales is to trust your products. That means the products you recommend the most should be the products you have on your vehicle. Have a set of tires that you use in the winter? Recommend them to a customer looking for a winter change. And if you use them yourself, tell them. Our next tip is to highlight your exclusive products. If you have a product in your inventory or a service that only you provide in the area, make sure to highlight it and the fact that it's exclusive to your shop. This could include a certain brand of tire, a service like ADOS, or promotions like rebates. Tip number 3 is to show off reviews. You likely have an online review system and potentially other avenues to get reviews, but it's important to keep those records so you can show them to your customers. Showing them how your service or products have had an effect on other members of the community could help secure a sale. Tip 4, talk up your shop. This one kind of bleeds into our last tip, but make sure you talk up those positive reviews, customer satisfaction stories, employees with special certifications, and the awards or honors your shop has received. The customer may start to feel like they're missing out on something if they don't get service from your shop. Our final tip is to be consistent. In other words, do everything you promise to your customers. It's your job to go above and beyond for every customer. That involves everything from staying updated on backorder deliveries or keeping the vehicle clean for pickup. Persuasion isn't easy, especially when it comes to customer sales. However, using these tips could help improve profits and will hopefully boost your customer persuasion skills. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.